Merry, Merry Christmas to the Banawa family. Ay naku! What's going on, guys? Where's the party? I'm invited, right? I just wanted to greet you all. And Arnell told me about your wonderful family. Golly! When am I gonna be invited there? I don't have any lumpia here. Where I'm at, there's no lumpia. So I'm waiting for an invitation. Banawa family. Golly! I even talk like you guys. Golly! Isn't that my ticket to come to the party, to be invited to be part of the family? Come on! I'm waiting. I want to sing carols together, eat our food together. What's going on? Wear our pajamas together? Anyway, Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year. You can thank Arnell for telling me all about your family. Love to you all, the Banawa family. Oh, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.